What's up, Juicy Squad? It's your girl Lucy, juicy but never thirsty, and this is Juicy Told You. Welcome back to all of my Juicy Squad members. If you're new to my page, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss a beat and you get an alert for every time I post a new video. And speaking of new video, today we're talking skincare. So please bear with me if I am looking a little dusty, child, okay? Because your girl just cleansed her face and I haven't applied any products yet. It is the end of the day for me, so I just wanted to share this with you guys so you can see what products I'm currently using and this new product that I'm adding to my regimen. But before we get into that, enjoy these kisses. Mwah. These wet kisses. Mwah. These juicy kisses. Mwah. These wet melanin kisses. Mwah, 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 mwah. My favorite skin cleanser is by Cetaphil. Really gentle. I use a gentle skin cleanser. You can find it at any convenience store or grocery store. If you can't find it, then you probably don't live on planet Earth. So it's really easy to find. Please don't expect a link in the description box because you can find this here. So the first product that I apply after cleansing my face is the Good Night Cream by Henriksen. It has a really pleasant smell. It's kind of like a light purple color. I really use probably like a pea size. And when applying your creams, you want to avoid going into your eye area. So I actually do not apply it on my eye area. I apply it on my nose, my cheekbones, chin, forehead. So the next step is for my eyes. And this is also a product by Henriksen. And this is the Banana Bright Eye Cream. I love this product. It is very concentrated, so you don't want to use a lot. I literally just smear about this much on. And you're only going to apply this on your eyelids and on your under eyes. And what I like to do is just kind of like dab it on, because you don't want to tug on your eyes, the skin around your eyes. That's going to cause wrinkles. And let me tell you guys, this eye cream is amazing. Especially like if your skin is dehydrated or if you're looking tired, it's just gonna give you like that awake look. And it makes a great primer for eyeshadow. I try not to use it too much for eyeshadow because it is expensive, but it's a great base for eyeshadow. So if you have nothing else to use underneath your eyeshadow, I really recommend that. So usually this would be the end of my nighttime regimen. Just simple as that. Cleansing, adding the moisturizer, and then the banana cream underneath my eye. But I have a new product that I just got in the mail that I'm adding to my regimen. And I'm really excited to add this product to my regimen because it's also a Black-owned business. So if you're interested in getting this product yourself, please check out the link in the description box for the website and the Instagram so you can follow the owner and support her. But without further ado, I am going to be adding the Tea Tree Glow Oil to my regimen. It is lightweight oil. It's free of parabens, harsh chemicals. It's great for minimizing like your discoloration. It keeps like the moisture on your skin sealed. That's why I'm going to add this as a last step after adding on all of my moisturizers. Everybody up north, if you're getting ready for the winter and you want a great product to help keep your skin moisturized in the dry season, I really recommend using this. You're only going to need a few drops, to be honest with you. This bottle is really going to go a long way. So I'm just going to add a few drops here, and it smells amazing. It reminds me like being at a spa. and it has like a lot of like benefits for your skin. But to be honest with you, you can use this like on your cuticles, your scalp, moisturizing your hands, your lips. It has many benefits and it smells so good. Oh, I love it. Yeah, so my skin feels really like moisturized and healthy. Great thing about essential oils, it really helps your skin balance out. So if you do have oily skin, I really recommend getting an essential oil like this to add to your regimen, because it will actually prevent your skin from overproducing oils if it has a natural balance that it's supposed to have. So this is something that will definitely help. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how much more my skin can improve with this new tea tree glow oil. I'm really excited. I think this is gonna be like a major staple as part of my skin regimen, guys. If you're getting it, let me know what you think, how you like it. I'm really excited to hear, what you guys think about it. So if you're curious on, how else I use this, make sure you guys subscribe. The link of the Instagram owner will be in the description box below. If you actually have this product, please let me know what you think about it. Leave me some comments in the comment box, all right guys? But in the meantime, I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching.